Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS VG259QM 280Hz IPS gaming LCD. So friend, ASUS will launch new LCD display device VG259QM for gaming and VA24DCB for domestic market. And friend, the TUF Gaming series monitor VG259QM is a 24.5-inch Full HD variant with a Fast IPS display. And friend, it offers high-speed sketching with 280Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond reaction time, and its high dynamic range comforts to Display HDR 400, and the display synchronization technology is NVIDIA G-Sync Compatible. The primary specifications are brightness of 400 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 jam1, color gamut of 99% sRGB, and maximum display color is about 16.7 million colors, horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree. And friend, in addition, the extreme low motion blur sync enables seamless use of motion blur and synchronization technology. Shadow boost enhance the visibility in dark scenes, flicker free remove screen flicker, and blue light suppression distinctly reduce the blue light, and it is equipped with blue light attenuation and other similar features. And friend, the interface consists of two HDMI 2.0 ports, one DisplayPort 1.2 port, one 3.5 stereo microphone connector, two 2-watt speakers. And friend, it is priced at $319. And friend, second I will talk about the VA24DCB. And friend, it is a 23.8-inch frameless Full HD display with USB Type-C connector that can provide up to 65 watt of power. And friend, the liquid crystal display utilizes an IPS technology with a large viewing angle, and the primary specification include brightness of 250 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 jam1, maximum display color approximately 16.7 million colors, horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree, reaction time 5 millisecond, refresh rate 75 Hz, and flicker free that eliminates screen flicker, and it is equipped with blue light reduction feature that suppresses blue light considerably. And friend, it is cost at $209. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.